This is how we do it. HOSEF style. Functional, repurposed, previously used, e-waste, call it what you will. We call it opportunity and hope, at no cost and liability to you. What you see here are the computers destined for 2 parks here in Hawaii. Nanakuli Beach Park. Aloha folks, Scott Belford here, showing you what happens when you harness volunteerism, free software, and discarded computers. You're looking at the ingredients for today's cooking class, which is setting up 2 computer labs for 2 community parks here on the beautiful island of Oahu. Today we're at Nanakuli Beach Park. We'll be installing these computers running the free and open source software distribution of GNU Linux called the K12 LTSP. This is going to enable us to boot older Pentium class computers from a fast server and make something you used to throw away because it was junk run at the speed of any computer you want to buy. In this case, a pretty nice P4 that was donated to HOSEF. In addition, we'll be putting free wireless internet to cover the park. This is what HOSEF does. Turns discarded computers, and in this case wireless internet gear, and we try to build learning opportunities and promote free access. So these computers, some from UH, some from a few other businesses, some from individuals, will be in this park. You can do this in your community. Free wireless paid for by the city. Future projects will be a sponsorship. Have fun with me today as I take you along this install. The computers we'll be using in here are right here. A Pentium 200. You might be saying to yourself, gee, that's not fast enough to do any good. And on its own, it's not. What matters to each of these computers is this interface right here. The network interface card. It's through here that we will run a cable. Sorry for the shakes. Hard to hold still in that kind of zoom. Through the network cable, we're going, or through the network interface card, a very commodity piece of hardware on any computer that allows them to connect to other computers. We're going to run a cable from each computer up here, down this wall, through that room, the next room, and into the office, where we're going to locate a server that's going to have all the speed and the processing power and applications. It's going to be one of these 2 computers here. A faster P4 with a ½ gigabyte of RAM. A computer people throw away every day. But when you cable it through a commoditized network cable and connect older computers like this, they run at the speed of this. Yet, because they're older and discarded, maybe they'll get beat up or destroyed. That's expected. There's more where they came from. So this is how we begin to turn e-waste into hope and opportunity. Stick around, you'll see what it looks like when it's all connected. And thanks to free software, there's no cost to do amazing things with really great programs for the community. And so here we are in the room with the server. The basic commodity P4, something that's discarded every day. And here's the other end of the cables. See them twist up. Through this wall, the next wall, and I'll meet you on the other side. And here come the cables. And here we are, back in this room. Look familiar to you? And now with these cables, these computers will be able to run at the speed of the server.